Welcome to a new video. Today's tutorial will allow you to repair the LG radio navigation system display on various vehicle models using part SEI, the ISP129. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a small Phillips screwdriver, the spudger, the part SEI, the ISP129. First, unscrew the 4 screws on the metal tabs. Then, the gold screws on the car radio. Lift the device body and release the flat connectors, first undoing the fastenings. Separate the body from the front part. Unscrew the metal frame. Undo the 2 flat connectors connected to the circuit. Lift out the board. Replace the original display with the new part. Retighten the metal frame. Refit the board and the flat connectors in their original position. Replace the metal cover. Reposition the car radio body, reconnecting the other 2 flat connectors. Tighten all the screws and reposition the 2 metal tabs. Switch on the radio. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools for repairing instrument clusters. Thank you for choosing Minitools.